So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix WhatsApp call disconnect after 1 or 2 minutes automatic drop. Fix first is fix internet connection. Turn Wi-Fi off and then on. Switch to mobile data if necessary. Move closer to the router for better signal. Run a quick speed test to ensure stable connection. Second fix is disable battery optimization. Open setting on your device, navigate to battery or battery optimization, locate WhatsApp in the list of app, select the option for don't optimize or no restrictions. Third fix is allow background activity. In Android, navigate to settings on your device, go to the app section, find and select WhatsApp from the list, tap on battery setting, choose the option to allow background activity. In iOS, navigate to setting on your device, then select journal from the menu, find and tap on background app refresh. Enable the option for WhatsApp. Fourth fix is update WhatsApp. Open Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, tap on update. Fifth fix is reset mobile setting. In Android, open setting on your device, scroll down and tap on system, tap on reset option, select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on reset setting, enter your PIN or password, confirm your reset. In iPhone, open setting on your iPhone, tap on journal, scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, choose reset network setting, enter your passcode to confirm the action. Thanks for watching.